It's a beautiful day here in El Paraiso. I'm at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Patua, Cornical, right next to the Paraiso Country Club with its great restaurant and swimming pool. So here we are on the terrace. You can see the Mediterranean. On a clear day you can see Gibraltar. We're in a very residential area, lots of villas around. Great investment opportunity for somebody who's happy to do a bit of work. This is the living room, real fireplace, and the dining area. As you can see, you go through here to the kitchen. You could easily make this open plan by taking down that wall. Through here to the guest bedroom. And the bathroom. Now this is the principal bedroom, the master bedroom. You can see again you've got window out. Plenty of wardrobe space. And you've got another window on this side, which leads to the white light well. Downstairs have put an ensuite bathroom from this bedroom, so there would be the possibility of doing the same here. You would need obviously the agreement of the people below you and the community, but it's been done quite a lot in this complex. So if you needed an ensuite bathroom from the master bedroom, that's how you could do it. And of course you've still got the other window, so plenty of light coming in. One last look at the living room. And the terrace.